Jazz. It's the music of hot days, cool nights, and fun times. Songs like St. Louis Blues by Louis Armstrong, Ain't Misbehavin' by Fats Waller, and Mood Indigo by Duke Ellington were part of the soundtrack to the Harlem Renaissance. The last time we were in New Orleans, we spent some time at the New Orleans Jazz Museum, and in this video, we'll tell you all about that visit. But first, I'm Cassandra of Passport and Soul, and at Passport and Soul, we help BIPOC travelers travel soulfully and with ease. Now back to the video. My disclaimer, of course, is that as with most museums, the exhibits change regularly. So what we saw might not be there when you go. But the New Orleans Jazz Museum was founded in 1961, and it is super easy to get to. As a matter of fact, it's within walking distance of Café Du Monde, which is well known on its own accord for its delicious beignets. The Jazz Museum is housed in a historic U.S. Mint building and has a mission of celebrating the history of jazz in all its forms. While we were there, we were able to learn about the history of some of New Orleans jazz heavyweights, such as, of course, Louis Armstrong and Fats Domino. But there were also displays on Joe King Oliver as well. We got to see pictures of Louis Armstrong when he was first starting out. And of course, there were costumes and instruments as well of several different artists, including one of Fat Domino's Steinway & Sons pianos. One of the cooler displays happened to be posters of historical jazz concerts and shows, and they had historical albums and an advertisement or two. And of course, because one of my hobbies is hand embroidery, I was particularly fascinated by the work of art that you currently see on the screen. It's amazing what artists can create. I mean, the detail is fabulous. Look at the different expressions on the people's faces, and the fact that this was created with thread, OMG. Well, as I said earlier, in addition to learning more about the history of jazz in New Orleans, because the Jazz Museum is housed in an old U.S. Mint building, which dates back to 1835, you can learn about New Orleans Mint's rich history, in which it served as a U.S. coin production facility, a Confederate mint, and a federal prison, all before it became a museum. And you can also see different iterations of U.S. money that was made there and learn how it was made. All in all, this was a great way to find out more about jazz and the city that it's known for, New Orleans. So if you're a jazz lover like Craig, or just enjoy museums like me, the New Orleans Jazz Museum is a great place to go for a few hours. Give it a try the next time you're in New Orleans. It's typically open Sunday through Saturday from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. And I'll link to the museum website in the comments below. Of course, you know I'm curious. If you've been to the New Orleans Jazz Museum, what was your experience like? Let me know in the comments section. So there you have it, all about our visit to the New Orleans Jazz Museum. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the Passport and Soul channel, and forward this video on to someone else. Until next time.